Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt Thomas with 360 Wellness. It's Football Fridays here at our office, which, every Friday, the doctors, we all wear our favorite team's jersey. Naturally, mine is the hometown Dallas Cowboys, and I'm supporting, a throwback of Roger Staubach, who happened to be my mom's favorite football player of all time. So today I'm going to give you a little bit of an office tour and take you through our Superhuman protocol. So come on in. To this point, Superhuman protocol, which incorporates magnetism, oxygen, and light, which is the latest in biohacking. Really celebrities, professional athletes are the only ones who have had access to it. But come on through the office and I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour. Back here, as you can see, we have our treatment area, which we have 3 excellent doctors that work here in our office. But in the back, right through here, we have our PEMF bed, which pulsed electromagnetic frequency, 5G, Bluetooth, cell, oxidative stress creates an environment where our red blood cells clump together. And unfortunately, when that happens, we're not able to absorb oxygen like we should. The cells, the tissues, they don't get the oxygen that they need to be healthy and survive. So the PEMF we utilize for that specific purpose. Now, if you come through here, we have our oxygen therapy. So exercise with oxygen therapy, especially after you do the PEMF, it's going to allow an environment so you can drive as much oxygen into the cells and tissues as possible. So what I like to do is get the heart rate up a little bit. If you get the heart rate up, it's gonna drive that oxygen into those cells and tissues. We have a lot of professional athletes, college athletes, people who really wanna optimize their health and performance coming in and utilizing this feature. But I also use it for a lot of our neuropathy patients who are oxygen deficient. It's critical that we get oxygen into those cells and tissues. So come on back here. We have vibration therapy there, but the third part of the Superhuman protocol is the Theralite 360. So, this banner just kind of illustrates it, but I want to take you back to the actual room itself. So if you come back here, you can see our Theralite 360 bed itself in this room. Now, this Theralite 360 is the best in red light therapy. There's not one that even compares to it. You have a lot of imitators who are putting out their red light therapy. The Theralite 360 is at the pinnacle right now. And I know for a fact that our clinic, at least in this area, we are the only one that have the Superhuman protocol. So Theralite 360, you've got different protocols. So if you want to use it for improved performance, if you want to use it for stress relief, you can use for weight loss, you can use for improved sleep, general recovery, brain health. I mean, there are so many benefits to red light therapy, and this is at the top level. And all 3 together, the magnetism, the oxygen, the light, all 3 make up the Superhuman protocol, as you can see here. So I want to invite, anyone, especially if you're looking to optimize your health and wellness, peak performance. This is the latest and greatest as far as biohacking and getting your body to perform the best that it possibly can. I absolutely love it, and I recommend you come in, check it out, and try it out for yourself. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.